In today's video, I'll guide you on how to create tables in Microsoft Word. There are different ways you can use to create table on Microsoft Word. So we're going to guide you through the process in this video. These are very simple methods depending on what you want to do. So let's dive in. First, place your cursor into the particular place you want to insert the table. Let's say from here, then click on insert button. Click on this arrow to drop down. Now the first one is to insert table. Now you can see that table is maybe 1 by 1, 2 by, that is the number of column and the row you need comes up. As you drag the table, you have access to all the tables here. Now release your hand, you'll be able to create a table on Microsoft Word. This is the simplest and the easiest way to create table on Microsoft Office. The next one is very simple as well, which is the second button. You're going to do this using the dialog box, but your dialog box is very simple. Click on the start button again, then click on the arrow at base of table, then click on insert table, this button. Once you click on it, then this box come out. This is what we call dialog box. Then you have number of column which is like this, and number of row which is like this. So let's number of column, you can increase it. Let's say 6 number of column. The number of row, let's say we are going for 5 or 4 number of row. Then you can now auto fit behaviors here. You can see if it is fixed column, maybe auto, or you put that. So this has to do with you. Then you can click any of these, then you can click on any of this one, then click on OK. Now you'll be able to create table on Microsoft Office using the second method. This is very simple. The third method is the most important one. This fits into specific design you want to use on your project. As we come to the insert button, click on it, click on the arrow here, then click on draw table. Once you click on draw table, then it comes out like this. Now you can design different table here. Let's start by saying this one is a new table. Then you place the arrow again, you draw the second table. Let's say it's a bit smaller. To that, you can see in size. Then you can as well click here and draw the table again to come to this place. Now you can see that this is spectacular because it gives you room to design table based on what you need. So that's all, guys, on how to insert and create table on Microsoft Word. If you get this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.